All right, what's up, guys? Really quick, just wanted to jump in this morning and show you guys. Well, I just wanted to tell you guys that Trade Ideas is having a test drive for $8. So basically, a lot of people are always asking me, how do I find my stocks to trade? How do I find these stocks? Well, Trade Ideas is the best tool out there. There's nothing better than Trade Ideas. All the top day traders in the business. This is, in the the top people in the game. This is what we all use. We're all using Trade Ideas. So right now, Trade Ideas is having it's like a $8 trial for, like, I believe it's like 2 weeks, but I'm not exactly sure. But I think it's 14 days or something like that. But click on the link below, and it'll tell you exactly how long the test drive is. It's only $8. You have nothing to lose. Well, you have everything to gain. To be honest with you, $8 is nothing. You're gonna spend that regardless by the end of the week. So, but this is the way my layout. My layout is set up a little bit differently than most. But basically, these are my morning gappers, and these are my high of day stocks that are moving high of day, making new high of day movements. I find them right here. But right before 9:30, I'm looking down here. I'm trying to see which one fits my buying criteria, and those are the ones I trade. But during the once after the bell rings, I'm looking at right here to see what's moving, and then over here are obviously I'm also looking at this. I'll explain all of that. If you're one of my students, you already know I'll help you out and I'll give you the layout. But if you're not one of my students and you want this layout, just give me a buzz, email me, or just leave a comment below, and I will sell you this layout. This layout here, it basically shows you the stocks that are halted. It shows you the stocks that are basically popping up. It shows you the high of day scanner, and then it shows you pre-market movers here. So this tool. This right here is basically all you need in order to have power behind you to get you the movements that you need. Like you can see this morning, I traded ARTL, and ARTL this morning, you can see, if you understand the strategy, we're jumping in right here at 360, at 361, and this thing popped up all the way as high as 442. So basically, you could have made plenty of profit. Just imagine buying 1,000 shares right here and then selling somewhere right around 443. So once you understand the strategy and then you know how to find the stocks to trade, I mean, you got all the power behind you that you actually need. So again, learn this strategy. If you want to learn the strategy, sign up. I'll teach you what you need to know, and you will learn how to be profitable. You just got to follow the rules. If you don't follow the rules, you won't be profitable. But I got a set of rules that I'm going to lay out for you, and I'm going to show you how to do it, and you're going to be great at it. Okay? So unless you don't follow these rules, then you're not going to be great. All right? So again, this layout, you can see how simple it is. You can see quickly that JMIA is what's popping up. So if we were to go to JMIA, you can see, let's make this chart a little bit smaller. So you can see it was popping up right around here. JMIA came on the scanner at 612. So not 612, at what's the time here? At the time is 11:12. I said 6:12. So the time is 11:12. So basically right around 11:12, which is right here. It's popping up on our scanner. Actually, did it come up a little bit earlier? Yeah. I guess at 11:10 actually is when it started popping up. So right around 11:10, which is right around here, it's giving you, it's telling you that it's. Let me zoom in a little bit. So basically, right around 11:10. So right around 11:10, it's popping up on the scanner. And if you know our strategy, you know once it goes above this green line, that's when we're getting in. So the green line is go time, so we'd be getting in right here at the go time. Once it breaks right here, boom, look how it flies high. And you could have easily made yourself a nice win just by following the scanner here, and then just knowing where your entry should be. Again, if you want to learn all this stuff, it's very easy. It just looks complicated because you're looking at all these things and you're like, oh my god, what's going on here? But if you're a new guy and you just need some guidance and you just need step by step rules, and my rules are not long. There's 11 commandments that I go by every single day. 11 steps, 11 rules that I follow every single day. Once you understand those rules, you'll be able to do the same thing over and over and over and over every single day. You'll be able to do the same thing over and over. So I'm getting great success from a lot of my students. A lot of my students are happy, and I'm happy. It makes me happy knowing that they are happy and they're making some profits. So if you want to be one of those guys that you want to come through and you want to learn from me and you want to learn how to make this happen, you want to learn what all these things are, you have a bunch of questions, but you just don't know where to get started, let me be your guide. Let me be your guide. Again, you wouldn't just get in a car and start driving. You would, you would want to learn from someone how to drive. So again, if you're looking for someone to just show you the ropes, contact me. My email is below, and let me know what kind of questions you have. Obviously, none of this is free. I have to charge for my time. But yeah, also this platform here, I'm gonna post a link below, the Trade Ideas platform. If you want to test drive it for I believe it's 14 days right now, from February 3rd to like the 14th or something like that. But click the link below and find out just to be sure. And then also, this layout is not given to you. This is a layout that I personally use to find the stocks that I need to trade. So, if you want this layout, I can sell it to you. It's not free because it took me time and it took me a while to figure all this out and to find it. So information is like, when you have this thing at your fingertips, it's very valuable. But again, if you don't have it, you're going to lose a lot of money until you figure out how to get it. So again, hit me up and I'll be able to help you guys out. My email is below. Contact me, leave your phone number. I'll call you and we'll chat and we'll see if this is a right fit for you. And if it is, let's make this happen. All right. Talk to you guys later.